Hey, how's it going, my fellow potatoes, and welcome to another video. And this is gonna be the first installment of What the Fuck Wednesday. At least I think it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday, everyone? It is Wednesday. Yeah, welcome to What the Fuck Wednesday. This is basically gonna be me playing rage-inducing games and such. So today we're gonna be playing Cat Mario. So this is like Unfair Mario and other games like that. So yeah. That music though. Alright, new game. Alright. Okay. Like little shits over. Oh wow. That was oh, yes! I can't. Why not? Oh no! Yay! Coin! Oh! Oh, I can go down. Alright. What? Oh, come on! That was some poop. Okay, that was a trap right there. The fuck! Sorry. What? That's bull. What? That didn't even touch me! You can replay that. How high can I jump? My god. Oh, fuck! How did I do it last time? What? Oh my god, man. Yes. Yeah. Alright, I think I have to do this. Oh my god. Just let me pass, man. Come on. Okay, that one's a dud. Okay, so we have to go back immediately. Nice. That's how we roll. No, we're not going down there again. It's a trap. Oh, come on. I call that. I'm like, it's a trap. Oh my frick. Frickety frick. With the golden stick. Oh, I like ran into him. Yes. Alright, this is the troublesome part. So we have to go. Oh! Oh! Like, I'm literally. I'm getting so pissed right now. Oh, I can break those? Oh, so it is like Mario, kind of. Except not at all. Yeah! Dodged. Alright, so this is the part where we need a. What?! You gotta be kidding me! Oh my frick! Alright. Oh! Oh! I thought they got me for a second. Alright. So it's gonna be right here. What the hell? God freaking shit! Okay. I think I have to go higher. Why? Why? Just tell me freaking why! Okay, I think I need to like jump normally, but like since I already know where it is, then you know, you'll see in a second. Freaking butthole! I'm playing Minecraft right now, but I forgot to make. Oh, I almost forgot to make this video. Oh, come on. Yes. Son of a. I'm still digging the music though. Whew. That was a close one. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna fucking break my phone. Let me just have the coin, man. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Alright, he just killed me on Minecraft. Whew. Oh, yes! Ooh. Fuck! God damn it! I hate this game. I genuinely hate this game. Whew. Okay. Yes! Go back! Mushroom! Yeah! The mushroom did nothing! It's made me fatter! Ah! I don't want to be a fat cat. And back. Alright, I think I know what to do here. You have to go like on the rim. There we go. No! Oh my god. I can't even go past the first level, and usually first levels are easy, man. Fortunately not on this fucking game. The things I will do to this game. Take it out to dinner. Come on. Just yes. Yes! I'll just let the little white fucking sperm pass real quick. Woo. Oh! Get wrecked. I have a feeling it's a trap. Yeah, it's a trap. No! I fucking hate this game. Oh my god, man. I'm fucking pissed right now. Not sure if you guys can notice. Oh. Yes! Get wrecked, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna check if that is actually okay. I think it's a checkpoint. Please be a checkpoint. Thank God. How long is this, anyways? I completely forgot about it. Forget it. Fuck. Okay. So don't go down there. Down is a bad idea. And I have a feeling this is gonna be a bad idea too. Whew. Fuck! Oh my god! Oh. Fucking hell! Slow down, bro! Slow down! By the way, your freaking mouth looks like a butt. Or a dick. Both, maybe. How does they not fucking fall? Are they like some kind of ghost shit? Some kind of knockoff of Boo? Oh my god, I fucking forgot about that! 31 deaths, my god. Oh! Oh! I keep on fucking forgetting, man! My fucking memory is terrible! Why? Why is my fucking memory so terrible, man? God! God is great. Let's just fucking play. I'm gonna fucking have a hernia or something. No, that's not the word. I'm gonna have a fucking, what are those called? What? I'm so fucking done with this game. Wow, what the fuck? Okay. Last try. I'm gonna end this video. Fuck! Okay, this is the last try. Come on. Okay, remember about the fucking... Why? Fucking... I hate this game! I hate you! Okay, Cam Mario, I don't like you in your fucking butt face, maybe. Oh, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, rating, and subscribe. My name is Potato, and I'll see you potatoes next time. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Oh, I'm still recording? My bad. I'm still recording? My bad.